Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is another fashion video. I haven't done one in a while, and it's also another lingerie video as you really seem to like my other one. So here's another one, but a little bit different. This time I thought I'd show you how to style lingerie as outerwear or party wear, especially with New Year literally around the corner. So these are just a few outfits using bodysuits and bras and bralettes as outfits, obviously without showing too much. And all the lingerie pieces that I'm going to show you are actually from Belle Lingerie, and I will leave a link to them down below. And they sell so many different types of bras, lingerie, bodies, pyjamas, basically everything you could ever need. And they very kindly sent me a few pieces to style for you, so they're the ones that I'm going to be using. And that includes this body I am wearing right now, and I think this is my favourite out of all the ones that they sent. This is from Belle London, which is a brand I've actually worn before, and I think I posted about on my Instagram. The other from Belle Lingerie is also this blue bodysuit, which is gorgeous. It's just lace all over. And I also have this longline bra from Wonder Bra, which isn't a brand I've ever bought from before, so I was definitely so excited to style this and try it out. On Belle Lingerie's website they sell so many different brands and all different budgets, so you are sure to find something that suits you. And also they have so many sizes, so there is pretty much something for everyone on there. The items are so gorgeous, and delivery was super quick as well, if that is something that you're interested in. If you want to see the looks I created, then make sure you carry on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So I hope you like these outfits that I created. I tried to do 2 for each item, just to give you a little bit of an idea of different ways you can wear it. I think after doing this video, my favourite is definitely the long line bra with the mesh bodysuit and the pink skirt. I think that looks so good, and I was so surprised with how that worked out as well. But I think that is going to be my New Year outfit. But you'll have to leave me a comment down below on what was your favourite outfit out of all the ones that I did. And also if you have any ways that you like to style lingerie out to wear. If you liked this video and if you did, please get a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with another. Bye!